Hello and welcome back to Google APIs for Rust and due to uploader development stream. It's Byron speaking. And yeah, I am back. I have in the meanwhile set up the Rust linter, which works pretty well using Cargo. I've set it up for all my projects. So basically now if you go to something, let's do something very simple because it's not the fastest one. But if you go here and say foo, then it will right away tell you that foo. There is no foo in stdio, right? So that's pretty cool. So yeah, that's kind of a built-in Cargo build, and that's really so much more comfortable. There are a few issues with that because if your program goes larger, then it will actually block your editor right now. There is a way to work around this because you can basically put this into the background, but the plugin right now doesn't do this. But there is a way that is supported by the linter framework that actually allows this easily, probably, and I would totally implement this myself. But for now, for Google RS, Google APIs RS, I can't use this anyway, and it's not really needed. I will just use the standard way. I can use it, but then I definitely would need to have this in the background. If it's not in the background, I can't have it lock up every now and then. That doesn't work. Anyway, let's have a look at what's supposed to be next. Yeah, today I think I want to try Rust FMT and possibly integrate it, but also, do this here because that's kind of the last issue that we have. Like something that should be fixed right away. It's related to the API, something we don't do right. Because so far I have the feeling we do everything right except for this. And then we can think about implementing new features. This is what this is about, right? The queuing system, for instance, the persistence layer based on SQLite, possibly, and so on. But for now, let's just go in here and see what this is. Currently, it wouldn't know when to do that. We should let it know after a successful upload. All right. Let's have a look. So that's only API, right? This has nothing to do with the CLI, and it's only related to uploading. So groups migration lib is the smallest lib we know that has upload capabilities. So let's get into the habit. Groups migration to let's see, 1. One it is. I don't actually have to execute it. It's really all about the API. For now, at least. So let's make it. There we go. Here we are. And yeah, let's have a look at the generated code. Upload. So it's a function that is upload resumable or upload, doesn't matter. And then it's all in do it. And here we go. Store upload URL. Right, and this delegate, let's have a look at, I think I should also close a few things down if I don't need it. So that's all in API CMN, I think. Because there we define the delegate, right? So let's have a look at store upload URL. And right now, as you can see, it only can store these, but it cannot forget these. And I think it could be as easy as saying, well, this is an optional. And then, once the upload has succeeded, upload result. Upload result, resumable helper. Look at that. It seems that it returns something odd. It returns an optional. See, I would rather return a result here. Yeah, I think I want to change this as well. I've been going through my APIs and basically instead of having an optional error response, because I have no OK response basically, I shall just have an OK response. And possibly I have something to say here even, yeah? Maybe I can some OK. Oh, it's an HTTP result. Okay. It's an option. Yeah, I think. So what do? I give an error or an OK. Yeah, let's review this as well. But maybe not right now. So here we have a call result, and what I want to do is basically say, this was an error, this was an error, this appears to be okay, right? Yeah, maybe I had my reason to do it like that. Right now I have no idea how I would represent this with a result. Because there appears to be no error type that I provide. But maybe I should just have an error type here. Huh. Cancelled. HTTP error. There's some... the HTTP result encapsulates an error. Okay. And the cancellation is interpreted by the none thing. Okay, I will leave it like that. Fine, fine. I got it. Not everything has to be solved with a result enumeration. Okay, so what I want to do here is basically just say DLG set store upload URL. Excuse me? Did I have... Oh my god. I re-enabled the racer completion and it actually works now. Awesome. So yeah, that's like that, right? This is what I want. It got better, man. I didn't know that. I disabled it for a while and didn't really make sense to have it because it was, yeah, just not working so well. But now it seems to be much better. Nice. Cool. See? It's good to sometimes use Sublime Text on a different computer just to install a few plugins that you haven't had before and kind of realize that the IDE situation has improved. Of course. Anyway, so that's what I have to do. That's really it. Man, that's simple. Store upload URL. That's, sorry, here, that's an option. Called after we have retrieved a new upload URL for Zoom upload in case we fail or Zoom upload to store it in case we fail or cancel. That way we can attempt to resume the upload later. It will also be called with none after a successful upload, which allows the delegate to forget the URL. In order that way we will not attempt to resume an upload that has already finished. Yeah, that is that. Cool. So I think that's done in mbuild. Set, how's that called? Store upload URL. Store upload URL. So that is now sum. And this is, yeah, that's a reference. That's a borrow. That's fine. Store upload URL. Just called once right now. And in the success case, we pass none. I think that's it. Should work. Cargo args is built. Voila. What do you say? I might have to update this one, but I'm not sure. Let's see. Let's see how far it gets. Oh, and I think also quasi is now has now been updated. Git fetch origin. Yep, lots of things happened there. Git reset hard origin master. Let's see if that works. Good. New release has been made. Let's run update here. That was kind of expected. This also means I can kill my Rust quasi repo. GitHub Rust quasi Byron, because that pull request was rejected because in the meanwhile Eric T did it himself. So no reason to hang on to it. There we go. It's gone. Nice. And what else is there? So, build, build, build. Now you'll see if that actually works. So far so good, it appears to be working. Oh no, what? Does it mean... That is bad. I shouldn't have been so trusty. Now I deleted my repo. Okay, but I still have my local repo here, which contains the changes that I require. But I assumed it would be working now. What the heck? So maybe I had to update another time. Nope. Nope, 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 nope. So third macros isn't latest right now. Apparently these things went out of date right now. So with my version, it was at least working. So I guess I have to get third. No, I don't even have it. Damn it. GitHub third. Third. Oh wait. No wait, I thought it was totally unrelated, but it is actually not unrelated. Not at all. So is third macros here? No. Third macros is not here. What the heck? Where is third macros? Well, I might use crates to do this. Like that. Where are you? Repository is third. Oh yeah, true. It's a sub repository. Fine. But I do have third, do I? Or was it named differently at some point? Could be. Rust third. Okay, interesting. Let's get the latest and set an override. For the override, I shall quickly disable the screen because I have to edit my cargo file. It contains my API token that if I would disclose it would require me to, well, reset it and update it in all my systems that use it. So in order to prevent me from having that extra work, I shall just disable my screen for the moment. So Rust quasi, I still override. Third, I now override. And I think third macros, I have to override explicitly as well. Like that. Okay. Let's see if that works. Third macros. Let's re-enable the screen. Okay. Good. Let's try that again. Let's try that again with the overrides. Hey, no! What the heck? I have no idea. This totally is out of control here. Absolutely so. You know what? I will go back to my previous branch and live happily ever after. I mean, now I can't build. Great, awesome. Oh man. I'm definitely overriding this, so I am on the latest version that there is. So I just fixed quasi macros to work again, and this worked at least with the current third. So now with the latest changes, I think this stuff is just not ready yet. Okay. So let's see. I shall remove the overrides and go back with my branch to the one I made. Git ref log. Yeah, this one. So let's go to head 1. Git reset hard. Thank you. So now with a little bit of luck, even with the latest version that I pull locally, it should work, right? Yeah, it does. So I don't need latest absurd. So I will just remove the overrides. For that, I will need one more time to set up my privacy here. So cargo config, remove the third overrides. Let's have as few of these as possible. And that is that. So I removed it now. And yeah, that works again. Whew, that was close. Now I get the third macros from the index, from crates, and that should also work just as well. Okay, DFA reporting doesn't work here. That uses too much memory, unfortunately. But besides that, it seems to have no failure so far. And that's the latest version, basically, that includes all these, that includes the fix with the repeated values. Cool. Anyway, that will take a while. Let's go back here. And we verified that this actually works, right? Cool. So we store it and we unstore it, and that's the thing. And as we have no current implementation of that anywhere, this is working like that. Cool. So I think that also concludes our issue here, which is issue, which one? Issue 85. Good. Yeah, really easy. Fix API. Let delegate forget uploaded URLs. When uploading using the resumable protocol, we are now telling the delegate to forget the previously stored URL after successful upload. Previously, it would have tried to return such a URL and thus made the system retry uploading a file that was already uploaded, which is a problem. Fixes, oh, I knew the issue, 85. I just said it probably and forgot right away. But here we go, bang. That is done, and I think I also want to skip CI because, you know, let's not burn unnecessarily and contribute to global warming, even though we know that we don't run right now. It doesn't work with the latest nightly and all the dependencies we have, because the dependencies, as we just know, are in a bad state for the current nightly. But soon this will be fixing itself, I hope, and then we are good. So let's push this. And yeah, I think we are done with that. Nothing more to be done here. So thanks for watching and have a good day.